All right, so before we try to put the tiles in, we've got to make sure that they set in the spaces. So we went through a number of boxes of extra tiles that we had, and we found the ones that matched and would fit because they're all different sizes. I've got to warn you right now. You may think the tiles are the same. They're not. They're different sizes because you got to remember you got a grout line. So they leave a little leeway there for placement. So you've got to make sure you've got all the ones that you need in the right spot before you go ahead and thin set them. So we're going to mix some mortar. This is a large format floor and wall tile mortar. So we're going to mix this up. This is the machine. It's a Black & Decker. We got the hook up. That's like just like when you're making a cake. We got a big one. On the back here, kind of gives you the directions. Right here, check it out. Put it in there. Stick the thing in. Smush it around. Get it ready to go. Slap it on the floor. Put the tiles on. Very simple. Very easy to do. I think we can do it. All right, so we went ahead and we poured the mixture for the thin set inside of the bucket, and then we have a Black & Decker drill, which we have the mixer tool plugged into, and you can go forward and backwards with it. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix it up. And as we're going, we're going to add a little more water each time to try to get it to the right consistency. All right, once you got it mixed and you bring it into your bucket, you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes to set up just a bit. So this is the system we're going to have to use. All right, so you want to make sure that you get the thin set on every part of the piece of tile. And then we're just going to go ahead and just layer right in there and smush it down. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There's your first one. And then you want to check and make sure there's no thin set inside the grout lines, and you may need a tool just to kind of pull the thin set out of there. All right, so once we put the tiles in, what we're doing is putting some weight on them, and then we're using that painter's tape to make sure that nobody walks over and steps on them afterwards because you know, they're just sitting there and you could stub your toe. And then we just got to get the last couple tiles in, and then after that we're going to go ahead and grout everything, and it should be ready to go. Just have to wait for it to solidify over 24 hours, and then we can come back and we can grout everything. All right, so this is that area that we just retiled, and as you can see, looks pretty good. We still have to grout it, and we're going to make a video on how to do that too. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.